that supports long-term heart health, building a heart-friendly diet. The heart is one of the hardest working organs in the human body, pumping blood continuously to deliver oxygen and nutrients to every cell. Because the heart works around the clock, maintaining its health should be a lifelong priority. Heart disease remain one of the leading causes of illness and death worldwide, but many cardiovascular problems can be prevented through the healthy lifestyle choices. One of the most effective way to protect the heart is by following a balanced, nutrients-rich diet. The food we eat directly influence blood pressure, cholesterol level, blood sugar, inflammation, and overall circulation. Choosing heart-friendly food consistently can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and improve long-term well-being. Fruits and vegetables are among the most important food for maintaining heart health. They are naturally rich in the vitamin, mineral, and antioxidants and dietary fiber, all of which support healthy blood vessels and reduce inflammation. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, broccoli, and cabbage provide a potassium and mineral that help regulate blood pressure. Tomatoes are the excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Colorful vegetables like carrot, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes contain plant compounds that improve blood circulations and protect blood vessels. Fruits such as berries, orange, apple, banana, and grapes provide fibers and antioxidants that help lower harmful LDL cholesterol while supporting overall heart health. Whole grains also play a vital role in protecting the heart. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain their natural fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Foods such as oats, brown rice, whole wheat bread, barley, quinoa, and millet help maintain healthy cholesterol level and provide steady energy. Oats are especially beneficial because they contain beta-glucan or soluble fibers known to reduce LDL cholesterol. Healthy fats are equally important for cardiovascular health. Unsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds improve cholesterol balance by increasing beneficial HDL cholesterol. Walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and almonds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, improve blood vessels functions, and support healthy circulation. Choosing the right protein source is another key part of the healthy heart diet. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and tuna and mackerel are among the best source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower triglycerides and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plant-based protein includes beans, lentils, peas, and soya products provide protein along with the fiber that support healthy cholesterol level. Skinless popularity in the healthier alternative to processed meat, which often contain excessive sodium, preservative, and unhealthy fats. Equally important is limiting food that increases cardiovascular risk. Fried foods, sugary beverages, processed snacks, fast food, and foods high in salt and added sugar should be consumed only occasionally. Reducing sodium intake helps control blood pressure while limiting added sugar lowers the risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes, both major contributor to heart disease. Healthy eating becomes even more effective when combined with regular physical activity, adequate hydration, quality sleep, stress management, and avoiding smoking. Last but not the least, protecting your heart is not about following a strict diet, but also making smart choices every day. A balanced diet, rich fruit, vegetable, whole grains, healthy fats, and lean protein provide the nutrients needed for lifelong cardiovascular health. When combined with healthy lifestyle habits, these dietary choices help to keep the heart strong and reduce the risk of chronic disease and support a longer, healthier, and more active life.